If Discord is not opening on your PC, don't worry, this is a common issue and it can happen on any system. The good news is that there are a few simple fixes that usually solve the problem quickly. I end this video. I'll show you 3 effective ways to fix Discord not opening on any PC. The first fix is to restart Discord completely. Press Ctrl+Shift+Escape to open Task Manager, find Discord in the list, and click End Task on all Discord processes. After that, try opening the app again. This fixes cases where Discord is stuck running in the background. The second fix is to clear Discord cache files. Press Windows+R, type %appdata%, and press Enter. Find the Discord folder and delete it. Then go back, type %localappdata%, and delete the Discord folder there as well. This removes corrupted files that can stop the app from launching. The third fix is to reinstall Discord completely. Go to your control panel, uninstall Discord, then download the latest version from the official website and install it again. This ensures you're using a clean and updated version of the app, and that's it. These are 3 of the most effective ways to fix Discord not opening on any PC. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.